In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Zendesk, a complete customer service solution. We'll go through a step-by-step guide on how to navigate its settings and create a custom view, ensuring you can organize and prioritize tickets efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Zendesk homepage, which is the hub for all your customer service needs. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll find an array of features designed to streamline your customer interactions. You'll notice a sign-in option, usually located at the top right of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked, you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your credentials, your email and password associated with your Zendesk account. This step is crucial for accessing your personalized dashboard where you can manage and customize your settings. After entering your details, just hit the sign in button to continue. After successfully logging in, you're now on your Zendesk dashboard. Here, you'll see various options and settings. Look for the settings icon, which will usually be positioned somewhere convenient. Clicking on this icon will open up more administrative options tailored to your account settings. Now head over to the admin center by clicking on the relevant link or button. This area allows you to have greater control over the functionality and layout of your workspaces within Zendesk. It's your one-stop shop for administrative tasks. In the admin center, you want to find and click on Workspaces. This is where you can set up different environments tailored to separate functions or teams within your organization. When in Workspaces, locate the Views option. Views in Zendesk are essentially filters that help you organize your tickets according to certain criteria, which can be extremely beneficial for prioritizing tasks. Let's create a new view by selecting Add View. Here you will need to input a name for your view, something descriptive that allows others to understand its purpose at a glance. Additionally, include a brief description to further clarify what this view is designed to achieve. Next, you'll start setting conditions for this view. Start by clicking on Add Condition, which will present a range of criteria you can use to refine your view. A common choice is to click on Priority, which will help you focus on tickets of a certain importance. For this example, we will set the priority to be greater than urgent. Finally, don't forget to save your new view by clicking on the Save button. This seals the deal, ensuring your settings are preserved and ready for action. And there you have it, a custom view to keep your Zendesk dashboard organized and your team running smoothly. By the end of this process, you'll have a neatly customized setup within Zendesk, allowing for more effective customer service management. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to level up your customer service operations.